children. How are you all?
Fine, teacher.
Okay, very good. I know you are all very well. Okay, so today I will take your English class. Before starting it, I will ask you one question. Where do you live? Yes,
In home.
in home. We all are living in a home. Home is also called as a house also. Yes.
Yes.
So we all are living in a home or house. Okay. Now I will show you something. My new friend, a very little friend. Would you like to friendship with her?
Yes.
Okay. Now see, this is my friend Anna. Her name is Anna. What is his name? What is her name? Anna. Okay. So this is my very little and cute friend. Did you like to friendship with her? Would you like to friendship with her?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So from today onwards, we all are friends. So we friends will go to the each other's home. Okay. So let us go in the Anna's house. What will happen? Just observe and say me. Okay. Now this is the Anna's house. Okay. Now what you see this house? What you see? What will you
And
see in this room?
Anna's bed.
Okay.
Bed.
Okay.
Bed. I see. Anna's teddy
Oh,
bear.
very good. Very good. Nice. Excellent. Yes. Now I will see in this room what there is a bookshelf in this room. This is the bookshelf. This is the cupboard. In cupboard there are so many things like shirts, towels, dupattas. Then there is one small locker here there. There are three drawers and here purse is there and here cap is there. All of you seen this one? This is the Anna's cupboard. Now, next and most important, this is Anna's bed. What is this? Anna's bed. Anna will sleep over this bed. Okay. Now, here in the corner, there is a dustbin. Whatever things are scribble, whatever things are unused, this is put in the dustbin. Now this is a toy basket. This is an oval shaped toy basket. Now here, can you see this room is clean or dirty? Yes.
Dirty.
Can you tell me? Dirty. Why it is dirty? Yes. Oh,
Because
yes. Say, beta, say.
toys on the floor.
Okay, the toys are on the floor. Means the different things which are in the Anna's house, they are here and there moving. Like crayons are on the floor, scribble papers on the floor. There is a storybook on the floor. So here teddy bear is in the floor and ball is also on the floor. So the Anna's room is very dirty. So Anna want to clean his room. Can you help it? Can you help her out?
Yes.
If yes, so we help out the Anna to clean his room. Okay, now what the Anna said, all of you repeat after me. Storybook, where are you?
Storybook, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Here I am, here I am. How do you do?
So story books are on the shelf. Story books are on the shelf. Repeat. Story books are on the shelf. Now, soccer ball, where are you?
Soccer ball, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Here I am, how do you
Soccer ball is in the toy basket. Soccer ball is in the toy basket. Okay. Now next, color crayons, where are you?
Colors crayon, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Here I am, how do you do?
Color crayons are in the drawer. Color crayons are in the drawer. Now next one. Scribble paper, where are you? Scribble paper, where are you?
Here I am, here I am. Where are you?
Okay. Scribble paper, where are you?
Paper, where are you?
Here I am, there I am, what do you do?
There I am,
Yes,
there I am, how do you do?
you do. Scribble paper is in the dustbin. Scribble paper is in the dustbin. Now last and one important thing. Teddy bear, where are you?
Teddy bear, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Here I am, how do you do?
The teddy bear is on the bed. The teddy bear is on the bed. So, like this way, the Anna's room is very clean. What we have to do? The keep the color crayons in the drawer. Keep this scribble paper in the dustbin. Throw the scribble paper in the dustbin. Now storybook we will put on the bookshelf. Now soccer ball we will put in the toy basket. And last teddy bear will go on the bed. So all the things everywhere we clean now. So Anna's house is very clean. Got the students?
Yes,
You like the Anna's house now, na?
yes.
Okay. So I will ask you one question. Did you keep your house clean every day? How is it? Yes. How you will keep your house clean?
Everything,
Okay. Very good. Say beta.
everything in its place.
Okay. We will put all the things in its own place. Correct? So today we are going to learn the English subject, and in that English subject we will start to learn the lesson that is a Lesson number 5, a place for everything and everything in its own place. Okay? So I will show you something now. Okay. So today we start lesson number 5, a place for everything and everything in its place. Now, what do you mean by this? Everything has its own place. Means what? The kitchen utensils. For example, when we enter in the kitchen, what we will see? We will see the utensils, glasses, plates, and all in the kitchen. Gas cylinder, we will see the kitchen. So these things we put in the kitchen only. We will not put in the hall. So like this way, everything has its own place. You have to keep the things at their own place. And what you have to do? You have to keep the things at their own place. Okay? Now, I will show you some pictures. Look the pictures carefully and tell me what you see in the picture. Now, what is this? What is this picture? Yes, refrigerator. Now, what is the spelling of refrigerator? Repeat after me. R-E F-R-I E-R A-T-O-R. This is the refrigerator. This is also called as a fridge. Yes. Now everyone have a fridge in their house. Correct. Now what will you see in this picture? In the fridge, what you will see? Yes. Okay.
Milk, egg.
Very good. So we see the different things in the fridge. For example, eggs are there. Yes, pizza is there. Different vegetables are there. Then different fruits are there. For example, banana, apple, grapes. Yes. Now there is a fish in the fridge also. There are bottles. There are burgers. Okay. So these are the things we keep in the fridge. Now what is extra you have seen here? Yes? Shirt and scissor. So can we put the shirt and scissor in the fridge?
No.
No. Why? Is the reason? Why we not put the shirt in the fridge? Okay, because after the shirt in the fridge, what will happen? The shirt becomes wet. Okay, so we will not put the shirt on our body. Okay, so where we put the shirt? Yes. Okay, we put the shirt in the cupboard. Okay, now where we put the scissor now? We put the scissor in cupboard also or in drawer also. Okay. Now next picture. Tell me what is this picture?
Yes. Yes.
What is this picture?
Studying table.
Study table. Very good. So this is a study table. Now on this study table, what do you see?
Books.
Yes.
Lamp, one lamp.
Are there? Lamp is there. Okay. There is a hanger and socks is there. Okay. On the study table. So can we put the hanger and socks on the study table?
No.
Okay. So where we put the hanger?
In cupboard.
In the cupboard. Okay. While hanging the shirts, while hanging the dupattas, we use the hanger. Now where we keep the socks?
In cupboard.
In the cupboard only. Okay. So we can put the socks and hanger in the cupboard. Now next picture. What is this next picture?
Dining table. Dining table.
Table where we eat with our family, correct? Where we will eat with our family. Okay. Now what you see on the dining table?
Jar.
Okay.
One glass of juice.
Okay. Very good. One glass of juice, one jar, one plate. Okay, very good. Spoons are also there. And other than this, we see the notebook and ball is there on the dining table. Okay. So can we put the notebook and ball on the dining table?
No. No.
No. So okay. So where we put this? Where we put this?
Ball in the study room.
Okay. We will put,
In the
yes, very good. Okay. We will put the notebook on a study table and a ball in the toy tub. Correct? Ball is in the toy tub and storybooks is on the study table. Okay. Now this is the last picture. What is this picture? Yes.
study cupboard. Dish.
Okay. Wardrobe. What is this picture? Wardrobe. Means what? Cupboard. It is a one type of a cupboard. This is called as a wardrobe. Now what is the spelling of a wardrobe? WARDROBE. This is the spelling of a wardrobe and it is a one type of a cupboard only. Now what do you see in the wardrobe? Yes.
One coconut and two coconuts and one dish. And
Okay. Very good. Yes. Okay. Now we see the upper portion में क्या? What towels are there? Now shirts are there. Then two coconuts are there. Correct? Towels are there. Different clothes are there. And the pair of shoes are there. Okay. And one more thing. One dish is there. One dish of potato is there. So can we put the dish of potato and coconut in the wardrobe?
no.
No. So where we will put? Where we will put?
Fridge.
In the fridge. Very good. So where we will put the dish of potato and coconut, we will put in the fridge. Clear? Now in this session, we will come across with the new words. Now what are they? We will repeat. Okay? First word is a refrigerator. This is a new for you. So what is the spelling of a refrigerator? Can anyone read?
Fridge. REFRIGERATOR. Fridge.
Very good. Okay, very good. Now, what is the spelling of a refrigerator? REFRIGERATOR. Now, shirt. Shirt. What is the spelling of a shirt? SHIRT.
T-shirt.
Now Caesar. SCISSOR. Caesar. Coconut.
O.
CONUT. Coconut. Dining table. DININGTABLE. Dining table.
Ball.
Hanger.
N-G-E-R.
HANGER. Hanger. And last one is a socks. SOCK.
Socks.
Okay, very good, children. Now, all of you clear with these words? Yes? Words? Very good. Now, these words are new for you. Okay? Now, we will play one game. Okay? Now, what is this game? I will give you instructions. According to the instruction, we will play the game. Okay. Now, what is this string game? I will tell you. String game means what? The game when we categorize the things in a particular way. That is a string game. For example, if I said apple in the fridge, okay? When I said apple in the fridge, next person will say, next children will say apple, banana in the fridge. So what will happen here? You will add one more fruit sentence. Okay? What will I say? Apple in the fridge. Next children will say apple, banana. Okay. All of you understood the instruction of a string game? Yes. I will repeat again. I will tell you again. One sentence is there. If I will say apple in the fridge, what the next student will say? Apple, banana in the fridge. What the third student will say? Apple, banana, grapes in the fridge. Like this way, we have to add the fruit in the sentence. Okay? Because I will start with the fruit. Okay? I already started with the fruit. So you have to start, you have to continue with the fruits only. Okay? So can we play the game?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I will say a sentence and you will continue. Okay? The spoon in the kitchen. Now you will add the things which are in kitchen.
Spoon and plate in the kitchen.
Yes?
Spoon and plate in the kitchen.
Okay. Spoon, plate in the kitchen. Now who will say the next? Okay, I will say spoon, plate, glass in the kitchen. Okay, got it all of you? Spoon, plate, glass in the kitchen. Now next one, who will say?
Spoon, plate, glass in the kitchen.
You have to add one more thing.
Utensil in the kitchen.
Yes.
Plate, glass, spoon, utensil in the kitchen.
Okay, very good. Rehan, very good. Spoon, plate, glass, utensils in the kitchen. Like this way, you have to play the string game. Okay, all of you understood this much? Okay. Now next, I will say, yes, I will say a sentence. Yes, chalk in the classroom.
The classroom. Chalk in the classroom.
I already say chalk in the classroom. Add one more thing.
Chalk and duster in the classroom.
Very good. Chalk, duster in the classroom. Now who will next? Okay. Chalk, duster, pencil in the classroom. Very good. Now next.
Chalk and duster and pencil and eraser in the classroom.
Okay. Chalk, duster, pencil, eraser in the classroom. Okay. I hope you all understood the string game. Okay. Now, in this lesson, what you will see? What you have learned from this lesson?
Yes.
To put the things on its own place. For example, we see the Anna's house. In Anna's house, there is so much things spreading on the floor, correct? There are so many things on the floor. So what will happen? The Anna's room is very dirty. It look like a dirty. Okay. So we don't like it. If our room is clean, we like our room. Okay. And if our room is dirty, then what will happen? Others will like your room.
No.
If your room is dirty, no, very good. So you have to keep your room clean. For what? What you will do? You will keep the things on a proper place. Okay? In school also. In school also, we put the things in a proper place. So our classroom is very, very clean, very, very tidy and happy to see classroom. Okay? So like that way, we will see the what we learn from this lesson. We learn that all the things, whatever it may be, pencil, eraser, compass and all, we will see on the floor. We will put this on a particular place. Now, I will show you some pictures on the chart. Okay. Now from this picture, you tell me where you put this picture, where you put these things. Okay. So, okay. What you will see in this picture?
Spoon.
Okay. This is the spoon. Now what is this?
Ball.
Ball. Very good. Now what is this?
Apple. Apple.
What is this?
Bottle.
Bottle. Very good. Now what is this? Which is this?
Lady finger.
Lady finger. Very good. Now what is this?
Shirt.
Shirt. Very good. Now next, what is this? Can you recognize? This is what? Where you put your pencil and eraser?
Compass.
Compass box. Correct. So this is a compass box. And what is this? This is a pan. Very good. Now tell me where we put these things. Where we put these things. Now, where we put the spoon?
Kitchen.
In the kitchen. We put the spoon in the kitchen. Now, where we put the ball?
Toy basket. Toy basket.
Good. We put the ball in the toy basket. Okay. Now, where we put this pan?
Kitchen. Kitchen.
In the kitchen. Very good. Where we put this apple?
Kitchen. Kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Fridge.
In the fridge. Very good. We put the apple in the fridge. We put all the fruits in the fridge. Okay. Now what is this bottle? Now where we put the bottle?
Fridge.
In
Bottle.
the very good.
Fridge.
We put this vegetable lady finger.
Fridge. Fridge.
Very good. Now where we put this compost box?
Bag.
In the bag, in a school bag. Okay. When we use the things in the compost box, we will open this compost box. Okay. So we will put the compost box in your bag.
Bag.
Okay. Now last. What is this? This is a
Cupboard.
shirt. Okay. Now where we put shirt? In
Shirt.
the
Cupboard.
Very. So I will repeat again.
आधी त्यांनी काय विचारलेलं की काय आहे
Spoon is in the kitchen. The ball is in the toy basket. The apple is in the fridge. The bottle is in the fridge. Lady finger is in the fridge. Compost box is in the school bag. The pan is in the kitchen. And the shirt is in the cupboard. So from this, you all have understood, you all have learned where we can put the things. Correct? What we have learned from this? Where we put the things. The things when we are putting at a particular place, it is a fixed place of these things. So we have to put all the things on its proper place. So what is the lesson name? A place for everything means what? All the things have their own place. Okay. For example, we will put the spoon in the kitchen. We will not put the spoon in the hall. So there is some proper place. Kitchen is the proper place where the spoon is putting on. Okay. Now next one, ball. Now where is the ball? Ball is on the floor, but it is okay on the floor? No. We have to put the ball in the basket. We have to put the ball in the toy basket. Okay. All of you understood? If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and tap on the bell icon. Thank you.